Hello, this is Ed from EdFlix. This is your home page of the Amazon Fire TV home page, and these are the apps that I put on the stick. We're going to go over Terrarium TV right now, which is I use 90% of the time. It opens up, and it opens up the top trending TV shows. See this little triangle that I have highlighted? You hit that, you can do new shows, premiering today, most popular, trending and most popular, pretty much the same thing, but it populate the list. I guess nothing's popular today. Oh, get some more popular. Yeah, Game of Thrones, Walking Dead, Big Bang, stuff that's most popular streaming television shows. And you can get it from Netflix list. These are all the things from Netflix. Marvel, Stranger Things. Let's click on that. We'll click on a season. We'll pick season 2. They're working on 2 more. As soon as it comes out on Netflix, it is normally here almost immediately. So we'll highlight an episode, and you can play the play button up here, or you can just highlight the episode and then press the select button on your remote, and now it's looking for your content. As long as that line is moving up top, it is scraping the internet looking for the content that you requested. Give it a second. As this list populates, more and more servers will show up on the list. The higher on the list, the better the quality. So we'll take the top one and we'll tell it to play. And buffering, and there you go. Now, if you have a problem with buffering or anything like that, it's buffering the first couple times in the first couple minutes watching it, you know it's going to be a problem. So let's get out of this. There's a little 10-second commercial you have to watch. I hit the U-turn button again. It's also gone. So if you have a problem with buffering, you hit the U-turn button and you pick a different server, and then you tell it to play with that. Sometimes buffering is an issue. The server especially if you're trying to watch something new, it takes a long time. Because a lot of people want to watch it at the same time. So what I did over here is I went over to this 3-line on top, and it's a menu, and from TV shows you can go to the movies. And again, Tomb Raider, Avengers, Thor, Deadpool is the most popular stuff. You can look at it a different way. What's in theaters? Now, most of the time, this is going to be cam copies, unless we get lucky. But most of the time, this is going to be cam stuff. But you can do it any action, thriller, sci-fi, fantasy, kids, horror, all sorts of stuff you want to. And they work the same way. Sci-fi apps. Some things are going to be DVD and some things aren't. Solo is still a cam. Jurassic World's not out yet. Deadpool is a cam. But Thor is good. And one of my favorite movies from last year. So as this homepage, I just keep this select button pressed. And now we're searching. As long as that top line is moving, it is scraping the internet looking for the content you want. Give it a minute, populates a list. Like I said, as long as that line is still moving, it's still out there looking, so you could get better and better copies. The higher the quality, it's going to be on top of the bigger the file. Not necessarily the higher the quality, but this is a 1080, it'll tell you. So this is 1080, and I'm going to play rapid video. And you let the buffering folder fill up a little bit. It is a large file, so if your Wi-Fi is not strong, or you might have a problem with buffering. In the beginning, it's normal, but if that's happening throughout the movie, like it seems to be happening every couple seconds here. Let's try one more time. It's just catching up. That's kind of normal. Yeah, this is a little bit of annoying. Looks like it's getting better. You might want to stick it out because it's going to be a good quality, and it seems like it's flowing. But if it drives you crazy, you hit the U-turn button. You turn past the commercial, and you pick another one. We'll pick this one. Now, if you're deep enough into the movie, it'll ask you if you want to resume where you were, so you don't have to go fast forwarding and try to find where you were. But since we just started, it's going to start right back at the beginning again. There we go. I went with a little lower quality and a little less buffering. Alrighty. Again, I just U-turn out of that commercial, and I U-turn my way all the way out. One more time. Boom. That is Terrarium TV.